Hello, students. We're going to go over the equidistant with two N's. Oh, look at that. That's awesome. The equidistant disciplinarian. Here we go. Match the linear equations to the following graphs. Okay. Or match the graphs to the equations. Whatever. It's all the same. All right. We got 4 graphs, and then we have, 5 equations, and then one of them's a none. Oh, so mean. All right, here. Well, here's what I would do first. I would start with the y-intercepts. That's going to be the most obvious thing to kind of pinpoint the difference. So as you can see, both the green and the red line looks like they both crisscross 600. Okay, see that right there? There's your y-intercept of 600. Okay, one of them is decreasing faster than the other one. They're both decreasing, so both of them are going to have a negative slope. So we're going to have a negative slope for you, but we're going to even have a faster negative slope for you since it's going down really, really fast. So let's go put an E there first. Let's go look at our options here. What do we got? We got, right off the bat, here we go. There's a 600 and there's a 600. Okay. We have a minus 25x and we have a minus 80x. Okay, minus 25. Yeah, looks like it goes over 1, down 25, over 1, down 25, down 25, down 25. Looks like each block is 50. Yeah, because this would be 500 right here. So that'd be 25, 50, 75, 100. There you go. Look at that. Over 1, down 25, over 1, down 25, over 1. Yeah, okay, here we go. You probably have a slope of negative 25, which means you would have the slope of negative 80. Okay, so I'm just kind of breaking them down by the y-intercepts. All right, there you go. So they both had a 600 y-intercept. Negative slope, but you have a faster negative slope. Over 1, down 80. Look at that. There's 100. There's 80. Over 1, down 80. There you go. All right, so it looks like the minus 25 is going to be the red line. Okay, so 600 minus 25x is going to be the red line, so I'm going to pick D. Okay, and then the minus 80, what were you? You were green again. Okay, so the minus 80 is going to be the green. There we go. Put a B in there. All right, cool. So we got 2 of them weeded out already. Oh, excuse me, stuff's in the way. Okay, so we used you, we used you. All right, what do we got next? Blue and purple. Blue and purple both have a y-intercept of 300. Okay, let's look at our options here. Ooh, we have that's all that we have left is 300s. 300, 300, 300. Okay, well, let's see here. We have one with a positive slope. So you start at 300, but you've got a positive slope. And then you've got a negative slope. Okay, so let's see, does one of them have a positive slope? Ooh, okay, so this one's got to be purple. Okay, and then the blue one has the only one with the negative. So let's see here, y-intercept of 300 and then a negative slope. That's got to be you right there, Mr. 2. So you are blue, which is E. Okay. Now we have to figure out, do we have a slope of 10 or do we have a slope of 50? Well, let's take a look at the line. What is it doing? 1 to the right, up. I don't think that's 50 because this is 300. So I'm using some spatial sense here. That's 300. This would be 350. So if you had a slope of 50, which this option has, this one has a slope of 50, this one has a slope of 10. If you had a slope of 50, you'd go 1 to the right, up 50. 1 to the right, up 50. That doesn't look like it. So here we go. Looks like you got a slope of 10. 1 to the right, up 10, up 10, up 10, up 10. Finally, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it goes up 50. Yeah, that sounds like a slope of 10 to me. Okay, so I think you are the purple one, Mr. Number 4. So you're going to be C. There is no line that has a y-intercept of 300 and a slope of 50. So sorry, you are the none. All right, so again, what am I doing? I'm just breaking down the lines based off their y-intercept. That's usually the first thing that kind of weeds them out, okay? So break them down by the y-intercept and then compare them by their slopes, and you'll be able to match them very, very quickly. Just go one at a time, and then the options will dwindle down, and then before you know it, you'll be down to not much options. So, sorry, not many options. All right, that was the equidistant typo. Maybe I'll just leave it, I don't care. The equidistant disciplinarian.